Hey everyone, it's Dwayne from Big Sugar Farms. Out in the home yard today. It is very cold. For anybody who's not watching this from Canada, you might be shocked. I think it was minus 25 yesterday, less with the wind, or even colder with the wind chill. So today, I thought we'd come out. Can't pop tops, too cold, but I do have this fancy gadget to have a quick look at the hives. It's an infrared gadget, and not entirely sure you can rely on this, but it does give an indication of maybe where we're at in the winter time. According to this, all the hives have some heat signatures, even the ones that have these hive hugger systems on it. You just see a little bit of maybe exhaust heat out of the entrances, but the ones without insulation, you can really see those are double nukes. That one looks alive, that one looks alive. That one looks like maybe one side is not alive. These double nukes, they share the middle wall, so there's a colony on either side, 4/4 frames, and they share the middle wall all winter. So that one might be dead. Again, I wouldn't take this to the bank, but it does look like most colonies have a heat source. One didn't here. This one. So any hive with a brick standing up was a hive that I was concerned about. They look like they've got some heat. This is a hive hugger, so there's no heat loss. Very little out of that one. And that's a double colony. I don't run doubles, but in the fall, if I had any weak colonies, I just double them up. Let the queens fight it out. That one looks good. Oh, and it's going to shut down. Apparently, the battery isn't the best. Anyways, just a quick update. It is January 22nd or 23rd. And if you believe the fancy digital thing in my hand, all my colonies are alive. Or the majority of them are alive. I don't think I believe that, but we'll see. Maybe in a few weeks, maybe we get a little bit of warm weather and crack a few and see what's going on. I am very anxious to get into them. I know it's early, but I honestly miss being in the beehives. I miss doing the work. Even though I'm old and it's slowly killing my body, I miss doing the work. Anyways, hope you're all doing well, and hopefully you're somewhere warmer than I am right now. Have a great day.